Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to a Punched Out Thursday to Die For with Kathy, Krista, myself, Dorothy, Rebecca, and Sonia. And it's also Christmas in March. So, yeah, we've got that too. So, it will be a Christmas layout. Plus, it is still Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, round 7. And if you would like to check out the layouts on Instagram, it's hashtag 30DSCBL7. And this is the sketch that we'll be using today. And I'm going to flip it. It's going to be upside down. And instead of those 4 little photos, I'm going to put a long title in there instead. And so it will look a little bit different. This is the photo I'm scrapping today, and it's of my granddaughter Hope. And yeah, see, I flipped it, and that's how I'm going to use it, and look at it so I won't get too confused. I'm going to use that Tim Holtz die, and it's the brick wall. And I'm going to put that behind Hope, and it is cut out in glitter. Yeah, there's going to be lots of glitter on this layout. Hope loves glitter, and this is going to go in her album. And her skirt, you cannot see it. It kind of reminds me of a tutu, but it's one of those skirts little girls wear now, and it has sparkly stuff on it. And then she has leggings underneath it. So, yeah, she looked really cute in it. And she's in a play, and that photo, they had FaceTimed me for the play so I could watch it. And I took and snapped a few screenshots of her in the play, so that's how I got this photo. They forget all about taking photos if they're FaceTiming me, but it's a good thing I can do screenshots. My circles are going to be ornaments, and I decided the small ones that I was going to put glitter behind them. So I cut them out at 1 inch and then 1 1/4 inch for the glitter. And those big ones up there on the page, they're 2 inches. And I just picked out some papers. This is Doodlebug, Home for the Holidays. That's what it's called. And that sticker sheet, I don't know what it's from. Liz gave it to me, and I am not exactly sure. But it's super cute, and I've used several stickers off of there. And I thought I'd use a couple on the one. Well, I'm using one and then a rub-on on the white ornaments. And the stickers that I'm using they're called Journal, and they're from like 2013. And as you can tell, I've never used them. But I am going to use them on this layout. Like I said, I'm going to have loads of glitter on there because I am sure Hope will love the layout. My title, like I said, is going to be long, and my plan was to put it right over the top of the strings, which, it works. I mean, I can fit them all in there. But I wasn't paying a whole lot of attention, and I'm going to misspell. Well, not exactly misspell. I'm going to put a wrong word in my title. But it will be fixed at the end because I happened to notice it like right at the end of the editing. And yeah, I went back in there and fixed it and redid the photos. None of the video got redone though. And there's missing footage. When I thought I was done with my layout, I reached up to turn the camera off, and it had already been off a while. However, you didn't really miss anything important, so it's okay. I did go back and pull a couple of things off and put it on so there would be an end to my video. And yeah, but it was off. I didn't hear it go off or anything. I was busy. I had glitter in my eye, and I was trying to do stuff with glitter in my eye. I finally gave up and went and washed my eyes out. And yeah, and I couldn't see no glitter. I couldn't find it. I mean, it wasn't on my hands, wasn't on my clothes, but I could feel it in my eye. I'm using Doodlebug twine, and it has several colors there. It come with the collection, so it does have gray in there because there is gray in the collection. And then it's got a multicolor one with the green and the red both. So I've got several choices to choose from, but I'm not going to use the gray today. The little round circles that are glitter, they're 3/4 of an inch. And then I went ahead and punched some hearts out too. And the reason I punched them out, I started to do stars. But the reason I did the hearts is because of the title. The green that's the background paper, it's American craft paper and it's embossed. But it goes great with this collection. It's a bright green, but there is bright green in this collection. It is not the traditional Christmas colors. Oh, here I'm tying my little bows. I use my piercing tool to tie them so that I've got an extra hand. And if I'm only going to do one, I don't tape it down to my table. But if I'm going to do more than one, it's a lot easier to tape it down. Then you can pull the strings tighter and just do one right after another that way. And I did do several colors because I wanted the variety. And let's see. Oh, I did make a mistake and do two of the twines right next to each other. And rather than pull them up, I'm just going to change the bow on one of them to what it should have been. And they're both green. One's a lighter green and one's just a little bit darker green. And so I don't think it'll be that noticeable. I'm using liquid glue to put the bows on the top of my ornaments, and I'm just trying to get them in place with the glue and just leave them alone for a few minutes so they'll go ahead and stick good. Was just trying to decide where I wanted to put my ornaments on this side. I know the top part's going to have my title and the strings will be coming down, and I'm going to go ahead and put a few more of those glitter circles up there too and some hearts. But I wanted to use 3 of the bigger ones on this side to put more weight on this side since the photo's on the other side, and mix in a few of the other things. But since I'll be doing basically the same thing I did on the right, only the string's going to be a little bit longer, I do purposely cut out part of this so you don't have to watch it. But then later, that part just got lost along the way because I didn't notice my camera was off. I have a regular Canon camera that you take pictures with, and apparently everything I checked on YouTube, if it's a regular camera, they can't let it go over 15 minutes, and I'll forget to watch sometimes. Now, at first, I thought I'd put my letters straight on my title. However, by the time I get down there to put the last couple of words, they're not fitting quite like I want. So I'll go back and bounce my letters. And that's the part you're going to miss. Like I said, I didn't realize the camera was off. But in the program that Hope was in, the first song, they sung a few. The first one is the 12 Days of Christmas. Instead of putting the 12 Days of Christmas, I'm putting My True Love Gave to Me. Although, you will watch right now, I'm going to put sent instead of gave. I know I was trying to hurry so I could go ahead and go wash my eyes out, but there is no excuse for that. I know this song. I've sung it all my life. But yeah, I put sent and did not even notice it till I was like at the end of this video and just happened to look and thought, oh my goodness. So it is fixed. But the reason it has that instead of the 12 Days of Christmas is because they taught her the songs at home to make sure she knew them for the skits and the play and the song. They helped her at home. And she was questioning the My True Love Gave to Me. And she told them that she never planned on getting married because she did not want to have to kiss anybody on the mouth, and married people had to do that. And it all came back to this song. She did not want a true love. And this is where the footage was lost. And like I said, it's not going to be fixed in the video, but it will say gave at the photos at the end. But if you look down there below, you'll see Christy's Facebook group where you can go post your own layout using the same sketch. You also see Christina's link to the Redefine Creative Facebook group where she does a live every day with a sketch. And oodles of more links down there for YouTube and Instagram. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. And yeah, sorry I lost the footage. It happens every now and then. Hopefully, hopefully, I won't do it too often though. And yeah, um, if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But yeah, see, it's fixed in the photos. Gave instead of sent. Huh. I can't believe I did that. And then I didn't notice it. Yeah, it just jumped right out at me all of a sudden. But I hope y'all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.